child, this thing is wrapped up to the capped up. Okay, so I got one halfway unwrapped. Now let's do this. They know how to pack though, don't they? All right. Oh, sold item is non-refundable. Ain't that something? It says Marc Jacobs, girl. I didn't expect it to say Marc Jacobs. Wow. Doesn't that say Marc Jacobs? The mini bag. Wow. It does have a strong chemical smell. My other bag is the tote bag. That's what that say. You see that? Can you see that on there? Wow, this looks better than, this looks much better than I expected. And it says Marc Jacobs. Let's see what the bag, the handle looks like. I did not expect it to look like this. If I had, I would have ordered me like 2 other ones. I would have ordered me 2 or 3 more. So I got these from SHEIN. So this seems to be not that crisp here. Can you see that? And this, like I said, the smell is strong. Here is the flap on this side here, and the pocket here is like this, and the inside of the bag here is like this, and it has a little Marc Jacob plaque on it. Very interesting. I did not, this is pleasant surprise, I will say. I did not expect it to look this nice. Now, the smell is strong. I don't know if this is leather or not. It does say Marc Jacob here. It says 100% leather suede lining, quilted Napa. So here, this is the card here, and this is what this says here. Man,